Today you are going to learn about the principle called Huygen's Principle. To explain certain things, Huygen, he introduced the wavefront theory. Okay, on the basis of the wave theory, he has introduced a new kind of thing called wavefront. To explain the formation of the wavefront, he has given two principles. The two principles they are called as Huygen's Principle. Now we are going to see how the wavefronts are created from the one wavefront to the another one. Okay, so from the origin of one wavefront, how the new wavefronts are created. For that he has given two principles. Let us imagine a source here. It's a source of light that is marked as S. Okay, so here from the source, let us imagine a first wavefront is created. Are you clear? From the first wavefront, how the next wavefront is going to be created? That is the question now. For that he has answered. Now we are going to learn the first principle. Let us imagine a point here. Are you clear? I am putting a marking on the surface of the first wavefront. So this marking, this point, that one will act as the source of a small wavefront. This small wavefront, what I am drawing now is called wavelet. Are you clear? Since it is the small one, this one can be called as wavelet and this one can be called as secondary wavelet. Secondary wavelet. If anything is too small, that can be called as wavelet. For example, if the leaf is too small, we can call it as leaflet. If the water drop is too small, that could be called as droplet. Like that, the wavefront is too small. That's why this is called as secondary wavelet. Okay, now I am going to put another marking point on the wavefront. So this one will act as a source of secondary wavelet. So this one is also called as secondary wavelet. Like this, put a marking, each point, that one will act as a source of secondary wavelet. Point, that one will act as a source of secondary wavelet. So like that we can draw innumerable number of points. Each point they will act as the source of secondary wavelet. Now so this is the first principle. In the first principle, what he has said now, each point on the wavefront, they act as a source of secondary wavelet. So this is the first principle he has given. Now I am going to draw the tangent. Are you clear? So if any line which is drawn perpendicular to the radius on the circumference, that is called, what is this? Tangent. Tangent, it simply touches the surface. So here also tangent can be drawn, here also tangent can be drawn, here also tangent can be drawn. Now after drawing the tangent, all the tangents to be connected, all the tangents to be interconnected. If you connect all the tangents together, you will get one envelope. So you are getting one envelope. Are you clear? So this envelope, that one will act as a next wavefront. A new wavefront will be created. A new wavefront will be created due to the formation of the envelope. So new wavefront, that is nothing but that envelope which is drawn here. Are you clear? So the next wavefront, immediate wavefront, is created due to by connecting all the tangents. So this is a new wavefront. Okay. So a new wavefront that is created, is it clear? Because of connecting all the tangents and you are getting one envelope. That envelope is nothing but new wavefront. Now I will continue how the next wavefront will be created. Look at that. Here I am putting a marking. So this one will act as a source of secondary wavelet. Okay. So secondary wavelet is created. After connecting that all the tangents, draw the tangent and connect them, you will get the next wavefront. So like this we can draw the wavefront one by one. Are you clear? So since they are moving in the forward direction, the wave is moving in the forward direction, these wavefronts can be called as forward wavefront. What is this? Forward wavefront. Are you clear? Even we can draw the one more wavefront here in the reverse direction. This is called as backward wavefront. But with the help of some mathematical analysis, So clear, this backward wavefront is eliminated from the concept. The backward wavefront need not be considered. It will lead to a lot of confusion, therefore, we are not bothering about the backward wavefront. Are you clear? We have to consider only the forward wavefront because from the source, light travels only in the forward direction. Forward wavefront alone must be considered. Again, I would like to recall the two principles told by Huygens. First one is each point on the, what is this? Each point on the wavefront, they act as a source of secondary wavelets. If all the secondary wavelets, if they are connected, if their tangents are connected, you will get one envelope. That envelope, that one will form a new wavefront. Therefrom, you are getting one new wavefront. That envelope which is drawn to all the secondary wavelet, that one gives you the new wavefront. These two principles are given by Huygens. Make a note. Okay.